Hey, it's Robert here from empoweredlife.tv. I hope you're having a really great day wherever you are in the world today. Now, in today's video, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why talking to your subconscious mind before bed can be so powerful. Are you all buckled up and ready to go? Let's get stuck in. All right, well, number 1, the reason is because your subconscious mind is at its most active during sleep, which basically means whatever you feed into it in terms of content, material, thoughts, feelings, actually permeate overnight. They really sink in and go to work overnight on your subconscious mind, and obviously they affect your belief system. So it's really important that you feed positive stuff into your subconscious mind before you go to sleep. You can also seek solutions to problems, asking the right questions like, how may I overcome this? Or how can I do this? Will really set your subconscious mind to work for you while you sleep. Don't be surprised then when you wake up, maybe not necessarily the first time you do it, but if you keep doing it, you will wake up and you will have a spark of inspiration that gives you the answer to the question that you've previously not been able to come up with, that has previously eluded you. Number 2, it can help you overcome limiting beliefs. It's so true. This is so true. It's one of the best things about working with your subconscious mind deliberately and consciously to feed the right stuff in, the right information in, thoughts, feelings, beliefs. They all get affected by what goes in, the labels you attach, the meanings you attach to it, and whether they empower you or disempower you. But you know what? If you do it just before sleep, that's how you overcome limiting beliefs, because eventually they start to sink down into your subconscious mind and they overwrite the current limiting beliefs with new, more supportive, proactive and positive beliefs, which will empower you to be more, do more and have more rather than the opposite. And number 3, it can really improve your sleep and reduce your level of stress. Let's talk about the stress thing. First, stress is normally caused because of not only the labels we attach to things in our physical reality and the feelings that we've got attached to those labels, but also the avalanche of thinking that goes on behind all of that. And as a result of all of that, which kind of compounds the stress and the overwhelm of the situation. But it seems to be kind of like the default state for most people to do is to fall into this pattern of trying to think their way to a solution. And they think hard, consciously hard, to try and come up with solutions to the problems and or challenges that they're facing in their day-to-day life. Whereas stepping back from that, letting your subconscious do the work, i.e. feeding in more positive thoughts, affirmations, visualizations, getting yourself to a state where you feel better before you go to sleep, your subconscious mind will come up with the answers to the problems and the challenges that you face right now. Why? Because your subconscious mind operates on a level of intelligence that you don't have access to on the conscious level. It's as simple as that. You cannot try to solve all the problems you create on a conscious level with the same level of intelligence that created the original problem. Does that make sense? So the only way that you're going to access a higher level of intelligence is to actually go within, turn to your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind will have the level of intelligence required to come up with a solution that you seek. And it may not show up, it may not be suggested in the way that you would expect it to show up. The solution may not be what you think it should be on the logical level. That's where the faith comes in. That's where being aligned with who you really are and having faith in the universal consciousness, in your spirituality, in your subconscious, knowing that all of this is as real as your physical reality, the world you live in. When you can get to a place when you trust in this stuff, you can get it to work for you. But until you understand this stuff and have faith in it, it will most likely work against you. So I implore you to try it. You've had the 3 steps. Before you go to bed, affirm positive affirmations. Do some really great visualizations of what you want to do with your life, who you're going to be, just exactly how you want your life to be. I want you to visualize it so clearly. With practice, you can do this so clearly that it's almost as clear, if not as clear with your eyes closed as it is if you were looking at it with your eyes open. Do that. Journal. That helps too. Affirm, visualize, journal, meditate, go to sleep. Do that for 30 days. Come back and tell me how your life's changed. I know it's going to be an incredible shift, and it's going to be an incredibly positive shift if you put the conscious effort in. I think you're worth it. Do you think you're worth it? Well, you are. So put the effort in. Come back and tell me what shows up. I love making these videos for you. I'm here twice a week, so please like the video if you've enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon as well, and you get notified every time I release another video. And also, if you love all things personal development and spiritual alignment, get across to empoweredlife.tv, and join the family over there so we can get to know each other even better and go deeper into all this stuff and further down the path on this wonderful journey we're all on. Until next time, take care.